Welcome to the Built for Business tour of Control S, Asia's largest Tier 4 data center. Everything in this facility, from its location to the size of its tiles, was built to be a data center. So how is it built for business? Unlike a bank vault or a bunker, a data center does not just hide or protect data. This tour will show you how every detail of data, the way it's stored, used, accessed and maintained, is designed to deliver the best business value. Any person standing at the entrance will have to pass through 8 security zones to enter the main data center. These 8 levels are crash-proof perimeter wall and gate, gate security, biometric card access, baggage scanners, bulletproof door and access control, access-based man-trap, biometric secure entrance, biometric card access to racks. Along with the 8 visible levels of security detail, every byte in the data center is protected by a 448-bit military-strength protection encryption algorithm. A person bypassing all 8 zones would still take 5.5 billion years to crack the code, at an average of 1 billion guesses per second. Instead of force-fitting a data center into an already constructed building, this building was designed ground up to be a data center. All elements of the data center, the grid, the floor, the tile space, the rack size, have been derived from the dimensions of the data center rack. The telecom room has 3 levels floor plan. The top layer has cable trays with wires coming from DC. The middle layer has 6 large bandwidth lines with company logos, and the underground layer has sensors for rodent repellents, water leak detection panel and fire alarm. The data center is like a building with multiple tenants in different locations. Instead of individual connection lines in the data center area, the Meet Me room is a central location bringing the data links together with the bandwidth providers in one location. This ensures routing efficiency and an ability to monitor the lines better. 6 systems work 24/7 to protect the data center against all threats such as fire, water and rodents. Our capital investments in these cutting-edge technologies create a completely safe environment for data. Our facility has a world-class water cooling tower. Each point in the cooling system, heat rejection, cooling source, distribution pump, distribution piping and the final load has 2+2 piping for fail-proof cooling at every location. The terrace has additional area to add 2 more water cooling systems with the potential to scale up with 4,000 additional tons, making Control S future ready for 10 years. A data center is built to last forever. Yet the equipment inside is continuously being upgraded. The data center design incorporates a space to scale with new IT equipment without compromising on safety. Like their business, our customers expect their data to be always on. To guarantee 0 chances of power failure, all electrical and mechanical equipment in this data center is connected to 2 active power sources from 2 different power plants located at Airoli and Mahape, along with a backup diesel reservoir capacity. We are the only data center in India to have this dual distinction. A functional data center contains thousands of working components like security systems, network providers, power units and servers. All these critical functions are monitored from the Network Operations Control or NOC room. The large screen overhead is made up of 25 small screens, providing a live real-time dashboard of the entire data center's critical functions. This NOC seats 24 administrators divided into 4 teams, who monitor systems 24/7 and rectify faults in case of a breakdown. By integrating the building infrastructure and IT applications into one space, energy efficiency is improved with a greater visibility into how all systems work together. The shared working area comprises of business continuity services, conference rooms and meeting rooms. This area offers business continuity services to our customers. Our customers have the option of a secure work environment for their employees. With phone, internet and printer facilities, it is a fully functional business location. The conference room is located on the first floor next to the Business Continuity Services area. This can be booked by clients for meetings with Control S personnel to know more about our services and solutions. 4 rooms are conveniently located next to the lobby and can be reserved by clients for meetings. Control S, Asia's largest Tier 4 data center. Built for business.